Survival's all I'll ever know. Selection status natural. What comes next? Let's evolve. I'm living off the fat of the land with animals. Blood and sweat, flesh and bones. Stranded on the sand, I stand alone as I gather wood, stacks, thatch and stone to make spears and axes. Better get your own. Unless the battle's what you're asking for. Act for me, I'll trash your home. Can you practice acting passive? No. I have a bow. Do you wanna catch arrows? Or get your back stabbed with a raptor toe?
Or you catch a cold.
Slashing and hacking, I stay active though. Bashing carnivores like it's whack-a-mole. Trapping them in a bowler while I'm landing blows. Hacky attack, that'll crack your dome. After I choke you, it's if a boa had your throat. Ha, you just croak like a massive toad. I put the tribe on my back like a saddle, bro. Pack your travel bags and roam. Grab a hatchet, pull up your bootstraps and go. The map is vast, but your paths are known. Call me Tyrannosaur, I have the throne. I rise at the crack of dawn. Eat a couple slim berries, hold back a yawn. I'm a pterodactyl defecating, and you're standing where I'm crapping on. I'm a rapping Neanderthal, who ain't scared of sharp claws and massive jaws. I'm the reason why you stay inside after dark, cause I practically run Jurassic Park. My world is a paradise with open doors. Climb up from the valley to the mountains. Sand sand from the beaches to the northern shores. Adapt to the habitat I'm found in. This territory is mine. I'll light a fire tonight. I feel it rise in my temperature. No beast will take me alive. I set my sight on the skies. The apex predator.
JT Machinima, Dan Bull. We're lighting a fire tonight.
Yeah, I wake up butt naked in the sand. Disorientated but making up a plan. My brain's a black mark for the lay of the land. Go back to the Stone Age, I take it in my hand. I'm into hard rock and heavy metal. The campfire blackens every pot and every kettle. Better get setting off from where we settle. Another day, another way, we got another level. Yeah, humans are tribal by nature, will die for their mates in a fight. But their neighbours decide if a stranger's a target to aim for. Your life is in danger, don't try to escape. It's the time and the place for a quick war. So organize and the A's are a back in the face. It's the kind of a fate you can wait for. So buckle up tight and your brace to break jaws. The great outdoors, the call of the wild. I was born and I'll die on a poor little isle. A child caught inside of the eye of the storm as if all of my life was a trial. On bear grills, I share skills on how to drag hills, prepare meals and get kills when it gets real. I'm a new Steve Irwin, though I'm no zookeeper, do keep serving. A servant of Darwin's journey through swirling seas to the shores of the need to be learning. Adapt, evolve, or raptors will roll up and snap your souls in the cracks of your skull. We are trapped in a hole, fight back with your bowler. Reach Camp Valiant, back from the cold. One life is a light in the dark. Shine bright to survive in the ark.
My world is a paradise.